ठीक है. So let us start today's presentation by Monica Babar, and Monica Babar going to present her seminar on heart of
Heart of reptile.
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 Very interesting heart of reptile, and I hope she will present nicely, and all students are requested to don't discuss with each other, and since last week all of you nicely participated in presentation. So Miss Monica Babar, you start your presentation.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Babar Monica. I'm presenting seminar on heart of reptile. Heart of reptile. Reptiles are adapted for aerial mode of life, and thus there is a pulmonary respiration is occur. The is enclosed. The heart is enclosed in a double-walled membrane of peritoneum called precardium. Precardium encloses in a cavity called precardial cavity, and it
Not
contains
precardial.
precardial
Hello, listen.
हाँ सर
Pericardial cavity. Pericardial.
pericardial pericardial fluid. The pericardium and pericardial fluid protects heart from mechanical injury.
Heart. Heart म्हणायचं heart, not heart. Okay, start.
Of heart. Now, sinus venous. Sinus venous is secondary chamber of heart. In case of reptile, truncus arterius is completely split into two systemic and one pulmonary aorta. Sinus venous is thin-walled sac-like structure situated on a dorsal side of auricle. Sinus venous is formed by union of two precava, right and left, and one post cava. It is opens into the right chamber of auricle by means of two transverse slit. There is a two transverse slit, one is large and one is small. The larger slit is formed by right precava and post cava, while smaller slit is formed by left precava. डायग्राम दिसते सगळ्यांना.
हो, दिसते.
आता सेकंड पार्ट, auricle. In case of reptile, the cavity of auricle is divided by interauricular spectrum into right and left auricle. The right chamber of auricle contains deoxygenated blood, while left chamber of auricle contains oxygenated blood. Right chamber of auricle shows
Okay, very nice. Any question? Explain the heart of reptile, please. Diagram. Okay. Miss Babar, please explain the diagram of a heart of reptile. Describe. Go to diagram. ओके, झालं का? डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करा, डिस्क्राईब करा जरा. There are incomplete 4 chambers. वेंट्रिकल इंटरवेंट्रिकल सेप्टम कसा डेव्हलप झालेला आहे? इनकम्प्लीटली डेव्हलप्ड. ओके, वाय मिक्सिंग ऑफ ब्लड इन the mixing of blood in the circulatory system of reptile is take place because of the reason foramen appenage. Nice. आणि दुसरं कारण काय? दुसरं incompletely developed interventricular septum. Mixed type of blood is always circulated to the heart of a reptile because of 2 reasons. First is the foramen appenage, where 2 systems cross with each other. At the point of contact, there is a minute aperture called as foramen appenage. And second reason is that interventricular septum is incompletely developed So mixing of blood takes place through this blood into ventricle. ठीक है. So in case of reptile, heart is of incomplete 4 chamber. Which is the animal having or which is the reptile having 4 chambers, complete 4 chambers? Anybody? Crocodile. Nice, very nice, छान. अशा पद्धतीनं मिस मोनिका बाबरीने अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने प्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे. सो आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू टू मिस Monica Babar